Hello, my name is Nawrocka. I am a student of Breda University of Applied Sciences, studying International Logistics Engineering. I've done my graduation thesis at Logistics Community Brabant, and in this clip I'll tell you more about my research. Organizations produce large amounts of digital waste. Studies show that office employees spend up to 30% of their time requesting information from other systems. This could be prevented if shared reality was created. One way to achieve that is the use of blockchain-based digital assembly line, a set of decentralized databases used within an ecosystem of partners. The digital assembly line is based on the physical assembly line found in factories. In this case, however, it is meant to streamline the processes that take place in offices. It uses blockchain technology to create shared reality for all partners, with the goal of minimizing friction occurring during interactions. It works as follows. Suppliers, seen on the left, profile their goods and services on the so-called value data service. Then, based on the information about the buyer found on the right side, the digital assembly line automatically creates possible offers. The customer selects one, after which the digital assembly line collects information needed for processing, as shown here. The system retrieves all necessary information from the shared databases in order to confirm the order and make it ready for physical handling. This way, close to non-human interference is necessary. This process can be reached with the use of smart contracts, where payment tokens are automatically exchanged as soon as the conditions agreed by the parties have been met. Here an example of temperature condition transport is shown. In order to make this all work, however, clear agreements are needed on the formats and standards for entering characteristics of entities, products, services and flows into these databases. If each partner uses another way of entering these data attributes, still no shared reality can be created and the digital assembly line will not function as intended. At the moment, some attributes have standards that have been developed long time ago for general purposes. An example of this is the barcode or an euro pallet. However, in general, it is often the case that companies focus on their own business and do not check if their chosen formats is compatible with the ones used by partners with which exchange of information is required. As this interoperability of various systems is the emphasis of blockchain, and blockchain use for reduction of waste and increase of productivity is being increasingly recognized, in recent years many actors got involved in the attempt to create those standards. Some have been developed already, but the work is pending and the developments should be watched closely. A few examples of the most important ones are on the screen. This all leads to the following recommendations for companies aiming at the use of digital assembly line as a solution for their own digital waste. It is crucial to let go of the perspective of own company being the focus. You must look across company boundaries and create ecosystems with shared goals, as cooperation creates value. The parties invited to join such a project must be chosen very carefully after an extensive stakeholders analysis, as transparency and the right motivation are vital. It sounds tempting to invest in technology and let it do all the work. Unfortunately, this is one of the main reasons such projects often fail. Companies must adapt their organizational models to the new situation instead of solely relying on technology. Finally, clear agreements on the characteristics of entities, products, services and flows must be made across ecosystems, at least until industry-wide standards are developed. This shared understanding of data attributes and workflow descriptions results in our partners speaking the same language. LCB may be able to help you and your partners with this process in the near future, as research on this topic is being conducted. Thank you very much for your attention. If you're looking for more information regarding my research or you're interested in reading my report, please contact LCB. I want to thank Paul Bessems for the help and support during my thesis, Letty Zhu for her coaching, and Zeivai Nikolai for allowing me to use their company as an example for use case purposes.